PSG 2018-2019 s'affiche pour la première fois. Une sortie là de Kevin Oyeman. Ouais, c'est bien joué ça, Timothy Weah qui a pour y aller. Timothy Weah qui va arriver à résister. Timothy Weah plat du pied entre les jambes de Sylvain Ulreich. 1-0 pour le PSG. Grâce à Timothy Weah à la demi-heure de jeu, c'est parfait pour l'Américain.
It was a really amazing performance. I'm very proud of what we saw today. I didn't expect it, but because I did not know what to expect. We were with Lars, with Adrian and with Christo and Kunko on the pitch, who were experienced. All the other 7 guys on the field had never played on this kind of level. We had our difficulties in the first 2 matches against lower teams, and this was an outstanding performance from the youngsters.
Yeah, it's an amazing feeling coming out here and getting a job, a well done job. We didn't win, but we played really decent in the first half, so that's something to look upon. And me scoring goals, I was really happy to get my first goal for PSG and first goal in this competition. So going to Singapore, we're going there with our head on our shoulders, and we're going to be really humble and just keep playing.
Abonnate al canal de YouTube de Paris Saint-Germain.
Abonne-toi à la chaîne YouTube du Paris Saint-Germain.
Subscribe to the Paris Saint-Germain channel.
Inscreva-se no canal do YouTube Paris Saint-Germain.